Hello lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning subscribers, thank you very much. If you are new here, my name is Mariama. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Today I'm going to do a makeup review from a company called Yanbal. This is the box Yanbal sent me. All their products are 100% natural. So guys, stay tuned and let's go into the video. So now I'm going with this palette. It's 2-in-1. You have the eyebrows inside and the eyeliner. So I'm going with the brown color to fill my brows. Make sure, don't forget to check in my description box. I will link there all the products I use. It comes with a little brush, so I'm using this brush to fill my brows. As for some of you who don't know Yanbal, Yanbal is a South American company, but they have brand in France, they have brand in Italy. So rush now and do your order because they have big sales. Don't try to miss this opportunity, darling. Rush now and do your order. And the shipping is fast. You can receive your item between 4 to 5 days. I know some of you may think that okay, it's locked down, they will not do the delivery, but no, they still do the delivery. So rush now and do your order, darling. Don't try to miss this opportunity. It's a big opportunity because they are doing a big sales. So next I'm going with full covered concealer. I like this concealer because it's creamy, so I will put some on my hand before apply it on my brows. So don't rush, just stay tuned and watch. Let's see how this Yanbal makeup products will work. So now I'm going to apply the concealer on my brows. Let's see, guys. And I hope all of you stay healthy on this lockdown and things gonna be okay very soon. We will all go back to our activities. I know it's stressful to stay home doing nothing, but still we have to live the life and know that better must come one day, and it will come very soon by the God's grace. And some of my followers on Instagram, they used to ask me how I used to create my brows to be equal. Okay, if I fill the concealer on the other side I finish, I like to create a little bit line between my brows so that I can see that if my brows are equal or no. So if you are a beginner, this is a good trick to use so that you can have your brows equal. I'm doing this step by step so that you guys can understand how I fill my brows, how I apply my concealer on my brows. So this is the way I apply my concealer, because some of you asked me to do it like step by step so that you understand. So this is the way I used to apply my concealer on my brows. So I finished the other part, so I'm going to the other part. So now I finished applying the concealer. I'm going with my brush just to blend the concealer. So I'm blending the concealer together and then remove that line, that little line I create between the two brows. Okay, this is the way I fill my brows and apply my concealer. So now I finish with the brows. So now I'm going with the prime. I will apply 3 dots on my face. I love the fact that prime feels on my skin. It's very nice. You understand that, soft and smooth. Wow, this prime is magic. This prime is magic. So next I'm going with my foundation. I love this foundation, how this foundation blend so good on my skin. I'm going to apply 3 drops on my hand, 2 sorry, and I will go with my brush to apply it on my face. Just look guys how this foundation work magic on my skin. I really like this foundation, honestly. No fake, no promoting, but I really like this foundation. With my this turban, I look like those Jamaican ladies. Yo, wagwan man. Wagwan yo. You see my turban. Okay, now I will leave you guys to judge. Look how this foundation blend on my skin, so nice. I really love this foundation. Is woo. Yes baby. Just look that. Just look at that. Whoa. I'm going with the same concealer, full covered concealer, to apply it under my eye and my nose and my chin and my forehead. Yes. So I'm going with my brush to blend the concealer together on my chin, my forehead, and under my eyes. I will blend it, just taking my time, blending it smoothly and softly, no rush. So I'm going with the setting powder to set the place I apply my concealer under my eye, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. So this setting powder comes with a sponge. I will apply the setting powder only the place I applied the concealer before. The next step, I'm going with my eyeshadow palette. So in this eyeshadow palette, you have 8 colors inside. So first, I'm going with this color, gold, but on the screen, it looks like white, but it's not white, it's a gold color. I'm not going to apply too much. I will just take a little bit just for my transit color. So I'm going with my brush to blend it smoothly, to have that, how to call that color I want. I love the colors inside this palette because these colors are so pigmented, which is good. We are not throwing our money, baby. We have to save the coin. You know, when we want to invest the money, we want to invest it in a place next minute we'll be happy. Not to cry, to say, oh, I buy this makeup, it's not good, it's not a no. These colors are so bomb. Believe me, bomb. So next, I'm going with this mauve color. No, wait, just wait a minute. Honey, darling, babe, look at this mauve color. It's lit. I'm good to go. I'm good to go. Oh my god, I want to sing, but my voice is not good in singing. Anyway, just trying to entertain you guys. Let me know on the comment section how many of you guys are using Yanbal products, from jewelries, necklace, samples, everything. Just let me know on the comment section. So next I'm going with the pink color. Don't go nowhere, stay tuned, and if you're new here, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos to family and friends. Join the team, let's work together. So next step, I'm going with the blue color. I mean blue. So next step, I'm going with my tiny brush to apply the mauve color under my eye. I want to have, you know, that kind of, you know, that kind of sexy eyes. That kind of sexy eyes. You know, let's do it, baby. Now I finished with my eyeshadow, so I'm going with my brush to smooth that place I apply the setting powder under my eye, my nose, my forehead. Next step, I'm going with the mascara. This mascara helps you to grow your lashes. But after all that, after finish applying the mascara, I will go ahead and put on my fake lashes. Yes, you know, I put on fake lashes. Who cares? Who cares, baby? I will put on fake lashes. Oh yes. Next, I'm going with my powder. I'm going to apply this powder. This powder comes with the sponge, but no, I'm not going to use the sponge. I'm going with my powder brush. I need to tell you people, because you see already how this powder look on my face. This powder looks so nice, smooth, you can tell. So this is what they call Yanbal, baby Yanbal. Oh, Yanbal, come on guys, rush and do your order now. Don't miss this opportunity. It's lockdown, it's big sales. So the next step, I'm going with this palette. It's 2-in-1. You have the blush inside and you have the contouring inside. These are the colors on the back. This pink one is the blush, and then the the brown color is the contouring. So I'm going ahead to control the place I have to control it. I'm going with the blush. Wow. Woo. Did you see that? No, honestly, you don't have to be jealous. So next step, I'm going with the highlight. This is the bottle. This highlight color is something else. This highlight is just wait and see. Lovelies, this is how the highlight look. This is super. So now I will go with my lip liner. So next I'm going with my lipstick. It comes 3 inside the box, but I show you guys only 2 because I'm going to use only one. That is this color. Yes, voila. Let's see the final look from Yanbal makeup reveal today. Okay, lovelies, this is my finishing look for my Yanbal makeup review today. I really love their products. It's 100% natural and it's easy to use. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and see you guys in my next video, and I love you all. Bye.